NSCN GBRN adol kilonser muiva taham jam vakazang yarinam holakaina ngarok hui haira. Naga pilan kala yeza boli nganing titra gaji ngavalu shit haira. Manipur State Policy for Children Thakta Jatna Khawai MCPC Archer Person Manipur Shokarli Kathong haira. Manipur Shorkar na topego what your kamaira security force na lupa lak chishat lang dawi chirup tukuhaira. Halelo Tangkhul Express Pvt pau Ringyaophi Mahak Ningshen ina pamitale pau bing may sign nanang rumsa. NSCN GPRN adokilon sertage muivana zingkum hang pangawitili shim han kungli sanabadi shong moholakaina ngorokhi haira. Parakasang somdal wena sanabadi dahamjam khavali ting na khayashilak leisalala ngorokhi haira. Muivali dahamjam li ngorok khui angrana ngeji United Naga Council UNC na thanda Naga Civil Society Organization ping na ngaran mida sanabadi we hak mai thui kachi yari kazip akhang saya. Mi ting thumra ga kazip chili naushinausan kharnausan mataila ava kharli thei ka khui we ring ga pha sampanga. Sanabadi we katam nau ping na muivali mirinni khare sada thei ka khui yur we kathana jina sanabadi li phai kar ka sangli hithada hanga.
Hello, my name is Ningshen, representing the Moscow Higher Secondary School Maram Kuno Senabati. I thank Sir Atokilon Sir Moiva for visiting our Senabati district. I also appreciate his struggle and for the Naga movement. I thank him and wish him a happy and healthy and long life. Quick Nalim.
Bhuvane of class 9, Daikova School. I wish Sir to have a long and prosperous life and his as well as his good health and to have a healthy life and whatever his mission is, I wish him to be successful. Thank you.
Angranangi chili Naga tribe mugada akhawi long raping kala Sardar Hill Cookie Inbi Korkha Samaj Zangda Avakharli presentation mihaira. Civic reception jili atokilon sertage muivana yarili address kami nanasa.
I am very delighted to meet you today through unwavering support, love and prayer for me and the nation. We should never forget our history. We are not lost people. We shall bring an honorable Indo-Naga political solution based on the framework agreement. I seek your cooperation with us in prayer. My dear countrymen, through love and forgiveness, let us build up our nation again.
Reception to solidarity speech Naga Women Union NWU President CH Priscilla Thuimaigala All Naga Students Union Manipur Ansamui President Ang Deshang Maring Anina Mia. Ang Ranangi Jili Manipur Baptist Convention with General Secretary Reverend K. Losi Nathanda Manipur we ordained Minister Saikorana Awakra Muiva wuivang Sokhami Pomia. TH Muivana Zingum Hang Pangawitili Shim Kawung Machut Yarina Monolith Shunmi Gahaiji DY Atokilon Sir Lieutenant General retired vs atam na lanmia. Reception Angranangi Jiwaya Kayakha Sada All Naga Student Association Manipur Ansamna ishiwui office Sanapatili Naga National Pilan Kangada Framework Agreement Commit Kasa Naga Pilan Gala Yeza Boli Machut Kamili Kakatom Pongshokhaira. Ansam President TH Angdeshang Maringna Kamatwili Muivahi Naga political struggle with Karinga embodiment Nagaji Hanga. Manipurli hapta akha shika ungkapam hili chipiaran atokilon serna yarui gala kathana binga datay dali karajan kasa sampanghaira. muivang historic shongza hi shim han khung mang maningla naka khokha kasa chatwa kida khalei shongza wi phainganin ngawau lu shit kachi atam nasaya Manipur State Policy for Children ji thakta chatna khawai Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights MCPCR wi chairperson Kesham Badip Kumar na Manipur Sarkar li kathong haira policy ji mashurla atam changwa hayakha internally displaced kala kachot samphangda khalei national ting li mashun masa khaming sahawrada commission hiwi chairperson na kasat haira gaps and challenges in the implementation of child rights legislation kachi maramli khangasan kazip hotel classic rent imphali khwikada chili Pradeep Kumar na matuya leida khalei angret hi sajada khalei national pingli ngak miran li shoi chau shoi ka haina kalajina national pingwi katam gashi kasa khawa mental health shelter safety kala overall well-being li sajada leida Pradeep Kumar na hanga kazipji National Commission for Protection of Child Rights NCPCR kala Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights MCPCR na makhok khamina Pradeep Kumar na kahang national thingmati shika arila relief camp li Churachandpur Kangpokpi Jandel Tengnopal Imphal West Imphal East Thopal kala Kakching district li leidale kala ji UNICEF North East aina MCPCR wi initiative aina machut kakhwina RIMS Psychiatry kala Clinical Psychology Department, State Health Department wi katom kami changda initiative china district and daily mental health in a psychological support clinics rungmiyachi. Mission Vatsalya sponsorship scheme li marginalized national being Mingchen sakhang sakli district child protection units kala child welfare committees nagatomia da Pradeep Kumar hanga. Clinic room kamijili national being severe trauma kala post traumatic stress disorder PTSD khalei taikuye da hanga kala displaced minors suicides ochot madi report sayaji kathaka institutional phaikar kathongda dedicated child protection kala mental health monitoring unit hai mikhavai Pradeep Kumar na suggest sahira counseling life skill education art therapy zangda mental health mathami khawai action plan khura khawai MCPCR chairperson Jina Kasat Sanga. Indo-Myanmar border shong anti smuggling operation gazadli security force na topico watur lupa lakchishat langdawi tukui haira Assam Rifle kala Manipur police na operation gazadli lupa 8.66 lakhs shikawi topico watur samkapang aya official na janpao mishoka. Ayawi Manipur police ngator politi na thishuda operation G intelligence input we thishuda kavana. Joint team Jina Win Europe 14,440 packets carton magada chikoli sampanga. Watchi Tengnopal district Loisi Bamli Samkapangnam Tukui Kahai Watchi Lupa 8,66,400 wi manna. Kalaji investigation wuivang concerned authorities di Mikhavai da police na hanga. Itum na by Manipur Sarkar na topego watur saikoro khamaira. Statewide ban Jizi kami shokta topego watur kasem store kasa khayao kala khayor mamayamara chikhaina. Topego watur kachihi kutka pan masala kala topego maninga kha nikodin gazang shay kapai watur saikoro zingum akhawibang khamdale. Pen Gasaji Food Safety and Standard Prohibition and Restriction on Sales Regulation 2011 kala Food Safety and Standard Act 2006 watishuda kasana. Naka Army Longvibu Sakhavai Major General Honreshang Shadang le Kapanghaira. Major General Honreshang Shadang MSM MC le Lieutenant General Ngapam Kamihaira. Ngapam ka khami kala Longvibu wuivang kabangasang wi jize khami janpao GPRN yariwi kyu tuko na ayami shoka. Naka nation kasemli otram natsu khamili shadang na loyalty, faithfulness, sincerity kala efficiency wuivang ngapam ka khami na dahanga. Chithada Lieutenant General Honreshang Shadang MSM MC Naka Army Longvibu Sakhavai Kapanghaira. Anangapam Wuivang General Anthony Ningkhan Shimreli Shinhaura General Ningkhan Nangapei Tarik Magadi Chiko Thang Otpam Jiho Haura the Hanga. Lieutenant General Honre Shang Shadang MSM MC na Office Jitang Kuira da Yariwo Kyo Tokona Zizakami Jili Hanga. SIR Witili Isina Makamashung and Enteris Gadat Palungra Kala Kamashung voters Pingwe Aming Bing Zangasak Palungra da left front na demand Sahira. Electoral rolls with special intensive revision SIR Saka Hai Witili Mawon Saka Hai Kala Makamashung voters Aming delayed Sa Palungra Kala genuine electoral Pingwe Aming Zangasak Palungra da left front na election commission li demand Sahira. SIRG states kala Union Territories kateli Savarada Chishat Kahai Witili Maram Wuivang Chief Electoral Officers li memorandum misanghaira. Aadhaar voter job kala Russian card hiping hila eligible voters wuivang proof sada Miami Phalungra kachi memorandum chilhanga. Kala SIR kasaji Indian Rijum Now maning mana kachi citizenship verification kasa maning mana the isina ya really Jishat Phalungra gaji left front na memorandum jiri kapisanga. Naka National Pilan gala yeza polling ning titra gaji adokilon sir na avalu shithaira. Aya dahamzam Sanapati Kasib Chili NSC and GPRN adokilon sir Chief Political Negotiator TH Muivana ya really Chan Pao Mishoka. Pay Katum 2015 the Framework Agreement Shoy Sai Salala